Hallo und willkommen zu the German Pro. Welcome to the German Pro, to another class of grammar. Today I'm gonna talk a little about the prepositions because I know lots of my students are struggling with the prepositions. I'm gonna talk about the local prepositions. So, important local prepositions. The question wo, where, wohin, where to, movement, woher, where from, are important. That's the first thing. The second thing is the case. In which case is the sentence? And then, of course, the noun, the gender of the noun. But let's simply start. So, learn by listening and watching. Deutschland is a country without article. Lebt wo? Lebt in Deutschland. In. Wo? In. Dativ, Artikel, in. Im Sommer wollen Sie Spanien. Spanien. Country without article. The question is, wohin? Where to? Nach Spanien reisen. Number 3. Sie kommt Frankreich. Frankreich, country, France, without article. She's coming from woher? She's coming from aus Frankreich. Schweiz. Schweiz has an article. In nominative, die Schweiz. Nobody knows why it's feminine, but it's die Schweiz. Sie lebt seit 3 Jahren. She lives since 3 years. Wo? Dativ in, Dativ feminin, der Schweiz. Türkei. Türkei also is a feminine country in German grammar, die Türkei. The question here, wohin? Where to have you never traveled? I have never traveled to Turkey, so it's accusative in die Türkei, because accusative does not change. In feminine, it only changes the masculine. Accusative only changes the masculine, and it does not change the feminine and neutral. Slowakei. Slowakei also, you see, Ländername mit Artikel, aus plus Dativ, die Slowakei. Woher? Where from? Dativ, aus der Slowakei, from Slovakia. USA. Die USA. USA is a plural case. It means the United States of America, die Vereinigten Staaten. It's a plural. You are going to. So we need accusative plural and the preposition ich fliege in die USA. Niederlanden. In nominative, die Niederlande. It's a plural case, die Niederlande. Here is dative. So the question, woher? Woher kommt er? Where is he from? Er kommt aus, Dativ Plural, den Niederlanden. Number 9. Warst du schon einmal wo? Have you ever been where? So, Dativ, Dativ Plural, in den USA. Nummer 10. Nächste Woche fliege ich wohin? Where to? Next week I'm flying to, where to? Berlin, all cities nach Berlin. Ich werde eine Woche, I will stay for 1 week, bleiben, stay, wo, where? All cities in Berlin. Number 12. Ich besuche dort einen Freund. I will visit there a friend. Mein Freund kommt from Berlin. Er ist Berliner. He is Berliner. So, woher kommt der Freund? Where is he from? For all cities, aus Berlin. Now, here are some special cases. So, of course, you can't know all regions if they have articles or not. Or, for example, Rheinland-Pfalz, it's a republic in Germany or a federal state, and it has no article. So, das Dorf Erpel liegt, it's located where, wo, in Rheinland-Pfalz. Den nächsten Urlaub möchte ich, the next vacation I want to spend in the Schwarzwald. Schwarzwald is a region. It's masculine, der Schwarzwald, and the preposition for dative, im Schwarzwald. Im is the short form of in dem, but if we use in dem, then we have to have a context because we have the article dem then. But this is in general, the preposition for dative masculine. Also for dative neutral. Mein Vater ist, and now to the special case, Eifel, it's a region in Germany, and it's die Eifel. So where is he born? We need the dative feminine, in der Eifel. Then, where is he from? Er kommt, dativ, woher? Aus der Eifel. Nummer 17. Viele Deutsche reisen jeden Sommer. Mallorca. Mallorca is an island. Usually, when we mention the word Insel, then we have to say auf die Insel. So, if here was the word Insel, I would have to say auf die Insel Mallorca, but only the name of the island is mentioned. So it's simple, nach Mallorca. Okay, now here's the other case. Teneriffa is an island, but the question here is, wo kann man schöne Wanderungen machen? Where can I do nice hikings? And then, because we know it's an island, then we have to say on Teneriffa, so auf Teneriffa. Number 19. These products are from the Canarian Islands. So, von den Kanarischen Inseln. Because they can't be aus den Kanarischen Inseln. So you have to imagine when you say, ich komme aus Deutschland, ich komme aus Italien. So the literary translation is, I'm coming out of this place, okay? But products do not come out of a place, they come from a place. And this is why it's von den. Ich liebe die Berge. Ich war sogar schon einmal. I love the mountains. I even have already been on the Zugspitze. Zugspitze is the highest German mountain. And it's feminine, die Zugspitze. And here I can ask, where have you been? Wo warst du? So, auf, Dativ, der Zugspitze. Nummer 21. Wir haben eine Wanderung. Feldberg. Der Feldberg. It's a name, it's a region, it's a mountain. And wohin is the question? Where to have you made your hiking? Auf den Feldberg. Akkusativ. Der Feldberg. Auf den Feldberg. Because you are climbing up the mountain. 22. This is now general speaking. Alpen. Alpen is a mountain chain. So, im Winter sind wir Alpen Ski gefahren. So, where were you skiing? So, wo seid ihr Ski gefahren? Alpen, Plural, in, Dativ, Plural, in den Alpen. Nummer 23. Früher sind wir jeden Sommer Alpen gereist. So earlier we have traveled every summer to the Alps. Wohin, where to, Akkusativ, in die Alpen. And the last two simple cases, meine Nachbarn kommen, where are they from, woher, aus Afrika for continents. Number 25, number 25, es ist seine erste Reise, it is his first journey to Asia. It would be simply continent nach Asien. And you see, 25 from 25. So this was the first part. In this part, it was about prepositions with proper names. And next time, we will continue. So you can have a look here. It's a very nice page. Haus, Hause, zu Hause. Very different if I say Haus oder Hause, zu Hause, at home, nach Hause, direction home, von zu Hause, coming from home, im Haus, in the house, ins Haus, enter the house, zu Peter, going to a person, at Iris, bei mir, at my place, zu dir, to you, to your place. This we will do next time, because here always I have a lot of questions for my students, but this we'll do in the second part. See you next time. Bye.